Hey friends, it's Kivia and thanks for coming back for another video, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll be sharing what we did on Christmas Eve and a little of Christmas Day. I also have some footage of us putting up our outside decorations. I know it's a little late, but we do not waste content around here, so I decided to insert that into this video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I also hope you had an amazing Christmas. Okay, you guys, this is Christmas Eve, and in our house, we are huge Home Alone fans, especially me. I've been a fan for years now. I watch Home Alone even when it is not Christmas time. But this year, I wanted to do something a little extra special and order some pizza and make a little macaroni and cheese. We were actually going to be eating this on Christmas Day anyway, so I just got a head start on that.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way.
If you all haven't realized by now, I love a good theme. To keep the theme going, I decided to add some movie quotes to our shirts that we were going to be wearing that night with the pajama pants that I purchased from Target. I also wanted to talk about the Christmas Eve boxes that we opened on Christmas Eve. So I did share a short about this. I was getting so many questions as far as where I purchased the boxes from. The plain boxes are from Amazon, but I do make the labels myself. If you are interested, I will have my email address in the description box below, and you can email me if you would like me to personalize a box for you. If you just want to purchase the box yourself, I can just make the label and send that to you. So basically, what we put in these boxes are the PJs that we're going to wear on Christmas Day. We'll throw in some gift cards, candy, just a few snacks, stuff like that. You're seeing are a lot of the items that I either made, purchased from Etsy or Amazon. I'll link what I can in the description box below. All of the ornaments that you're seeing me show, I did make those myself, so I won't be able to link those. But you know, if you have a silhouette machine, you can easily make those yourself. But I will link everything that I can in the description box below, so make sure you check that out.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
I didn't pick up the camera much on Christmas Day. I just wanted to enjoy the day with my family. So you won't see much footage here, but I did decide to share a little bit with you. I'm just making a little festive drink here, a mimosa, but I will link this recipe in the description box below. I found this on TikTok. The lady that shared it, she made her French toast using Hawaiian rolls. I did buy some Hawaiian rolls, but then I end up finding this cinnamon bread in Publix. And it's really easy. I will put the recipe in the description box below, but it turned out really good.
This year, it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, 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 oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else.
Okay, my friends, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed. I will definitely try to get another video out for you guys on Sunday. In that video, you will see me taking all of the Christmas decor down. While you're watching this video, everything is already down. But if I do not have that video for you guys out on Sunday, then I will see you all next week. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.